Honor will launch the Magic 7 Pro soon, as evident from multiple regulatory listings. The smartphone was certified with the GCF in the United Kingdom, NBTC in Thailand, EEC for Russia and some European markets, and it was also spotted on the TÜV certification website with a Class 3 protection. The phone, which will have model number PTP N49, will measure 162.2 by 77.1 by 8.8 mm and weigh 223 grams. According to a Geekbench listing, it will arrive with a Qualcomm SM8750 platform, which is the current flagship chipset, Snapdragon 8 Elite. It will also have a 12GB RAM option and will ship with Android 15, likely with macOS 9.0 on top. The Geekbench results are 3,112 for a single core and 9,259 for multiple cores, which align with our in-house tests of Snapdragon 8 Elite-powered devices. The Magic 7 Pro will be Honor's true flagship for 2025, and we are waiting to see what new AI features based on the company's proprietary Magic LM will come with the phone.